Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much everybody. All of your wonderful comments and your thumbs up, they mean the world to me, so keep them coming. I so appreciate you very much. Okay, we talked about in a previous video the level ups that Greg had done on the 3D printer to level my canvases for me and helped me immensely with doing some of my resin. So I'm going to show you how these work quickly again, and then I'm going to tell you about some kits that are available. We talked about doing this and I think we finally have it all figured out. So a level up looks like a little doll table, dollhouse table, but it actually, the base of it slides into your canvas, into the corners just like that. You can fit 4 on there. When it's down on the area you want to level, all you need to do is spin this little nut and it goes up or it goes down. It is so simple to use, you guys. These are awesome. So unfortunately with cradle boards, they don't have a groove that it can slide in like a canvas does, so you have to tape them down. But all you need to do again is spin it up or down, use your level, and level it all 4 corners, quick and easy. So we're calling these the level up kits. So we've got a couple of different kits to choose from. The first one is for $35, includes shipping, and this is Canadian dollars, you guys. So all of you in the US that are watching and need to level up your work before you start painting, jump on these kits, because with the exchange rate, you guys are getting a really good deal. We don't know what the shipping average is going to be, so we've priced these as fair as we can. We're not making oodles of money. These are all printed on our 3D printers in our home. The printers go non-stop. Greg's printed a whole bunch of these because I've had so many requests for them. So this kit sitting here is $35. It has 4 sets of level ups in here, so you can do a couple of paintings, have them put aside, and still have a set put aside to do your next project. I think this is going to be the most popular kit. That's just my prediction. We'll see. So again, $35 including shipping. You get a total of 16 level ups. Excellent deal. Again, including shipping. Canadian dollars. Okay, the next kit we have is the Level Up Leaky Cup Swipe Out Kit, which if I remove these 8 level ups, I'm just going to put them over here. Okay, so now we have a total of 8 level ups in here. So 2 sets, plus a leaky cup, plus a 3-inch, a 2-inch, and a 1-inch swipe sheet. That is the Level Up Leaky Cup Swipe Out Kit, also $35. Now the next one is the Level Up Split Cup. That's this one here. This is a 14-ounce split cup, 4 slots, really nice to use. If you hold it low to the canvas, you get ribbon kind of pour. If you hold it up higher, you'll get more of the pointed spout type split cup pours. Love using this. Now, these videos, the leaky cup, the split cup, the swipe sheets, I use them in my videos all the time. Just scroll down my video list and you'll see, check it out, see how they work. They're amazing. Okay, so for the Level Up Split Cup set, you get this 14-ounce split cup, you get 2 sets of the level ups, so a total of 8, and you get the swipe sheets, a 3-inch, a 2-inch, and a 1-inch, and though that kit is sold for $40. And then we have the Level Up Split and Leaky Cup set, which is this one here. You get 4 of these, the level ups, a leaky cup, a split cup, and the swipe sheets. All of these descriptions will be below. You'll just click on the link, go to the shopping cart, pick the kit that's best suited to you, and hit that button and away you go. Okay, Then we've also got the Level Up Split Cup. This one is the Leaky Cup with 8 of the Level Up, so 2 sets and 3 swipe sheets. I think that pretty much covers all the kits that we have. Pretty sure. So they range between $35 and $40. And you can also do with this kit here, the Level Up kit, which are just the Level Ups in there. Total of 16, 4 sets in total. You can also add on the 3 swipe sheets, the 3-inch, the 2-inch, and the 1-inch, the swipe out sheets. They'll fit in this box as well, so it's only an extra $10. If you want to get a whole bunch of Level Ups for your artwork and you need a couple of swipe sheets as well, click the add-on item and we will throw in 3 of the swipe sheets into that kit. But again, it's in the description below. Please check it out. Click on the link, do a little shopping, and let's see how these sell. These are all limited quantities. Once we're sold out, we'll stockpile a little bit more and then we'll put the kits back up for sale. However, the prices are probably going to change because by that point we'll have an average shipping cost depending on where everyone is ordering from. The kit prices are probably going to have to go up, but as it sits right now, click on the link, do a little shopping, and grab them at these outstanding prices. All right, Level Up kits are available. 1, 2, 3, go. Thanks very much for joining me, everyone.